How to add a background photo to Instagram story. It's very simple. Suppose you want to post the background of your post, just screenshot the post and now tap on it to edit it and crop it. You can just post it as it is, but if you don't like the bottom and the up part, just crop it very carefully and just tap on tick and save. Now tap on the plus sign icon and tap on story option from here. Choose the photograph of the cropped one. Then resize it according to your requirement. After you are done with it, just tap on the sticker icon which is at the top, and from here tap on the plus icon. Now select any photograph that you want to post it on top of it. For an example, I'll be choosing this photograph right here. And if you want to add another photo, it's totally fine. Here you can even resize it or reshape it and just arrange it. You just have to be very creative with your story, and once you do that, you just have to post it. And that's the end of this video as well. I hope you will give it a try and be creative with it. Thank you so much for watching.